Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I am doing a fun and fresh and bright makeup look. I've picked out a few items that I thought would be very flattering and complimentary and a color that really complements olive skin tone. So if you want to see the look that I come up with, please keep watching. I am going to start with, as a primer, this Merit Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. This is my second bottle, and when they had the little samples on the offer page on Sephora, I'd like buy certain things and then pick the serum as the sample. That was really nice because I picked those samples to put into my travel bag because I love this serum, and the samples are just small enough where they don't take up a whole bunch of space as like a primer. And this, I usually do about 2 pumps and it spreads to the whole face. As foundation, I am using this Haus Labs, and actually I usually just put it on a finger and just dot it on the face, and I do about a pump and a half because it does sheer out to the right amount of coverage. I will show you how that all works. Pick like somewhat of a dense, but it has enough give that you can blend out the product without it being like stiff and not easily blendable, I guess. This gives just enough flexibility that it spreads really nicely. For concealer, I am still going through this Ere Perez Arnica concealer. There's still a little bit of product left. Not a whole lot, but I'm gonna use it because it really is a nice concealer. It's completely undetectable. The only thing about it that I've mentioned before is it doesn't last all day. It is a clean beauty product and it has skincare products in there, and so the lasting power is not very long at all. But if you just want it on like a day-to-day look, then it's really nice. Very thin, lightweight, and very pretty, especially on, you know, just more mature skin, fine lines. This type of product is really nice. And before I do bronzer, I'm going to do a bit of blush first. This is not a blush specifically. I think it is just supposed to be an illuminator, a highlighter. It's called Rosy by Dior, and I use it as a blush. So it's a blush and highlight all in one for me. And honestly, I prefer this applicator so much better than the wand that Charlotte Tilbury has. I've never liked squeezy tube type of products. Unless it's foundation, then that one is more understandable. I would prefer a squeezy tube over maybe, I don't know how many different types of, oh, like a pot. I think the pot is the worst, just because you're always getting your fingers really dirty in the pot, and I don't like that. Just a little bit of a glow, it's just so pretty. And then I wanted to use, it's new as of this year, this Hourglass bronzer. It's the Luminous Bronze Light. And I'm going to use a pretty big fluffy brush. This is not the biggest, but it's one of the big ones. It's the 103. And I'm just gonna go in there and start applying it pretty generally. And as of this summer, I've already started getting some color from being outdoors. And the bronzers, I feel like they set even nicer on skin when you have a little bit of a natural glow already there from the sun. Honestly, nothing really beats natural, just vitamin D, natural bronzing, but it's really pretty. Like if you want to highlight the bronze you have and just kind of add to it a little bit, it's so pretty just to add on already a natural bronze that's started developing. Yeah, that looks so much better than when I was really pasty white just a few months ago. That's so pretty. I'm gonna jump to lips first because they're pretty dry and I need to get that covered. I'm using Hourglass Tempt 3 lip liner. And I'm using a gloss this time. This is the Milk Odyssey lip oil and it's in the color Track. These smell so good. Every time I open the tube, it smells like candy. This is such a nice formula. I love the formula. I love the color. What a juicy, beautiful lip color. I will now jump to my eyebrows. I've been using this Milk Makeup brow pencil. It's kind of like a jumbo, what is it called? It's the Kush Brow Shadow Stick, and it's in the color Herb, and it's so nice. This is a little brush end, and this is the product, and I love how quick and easy. I've already been through like brow pencils like this before. You've seen my Korean one that I've gone through, the Nature Republic one, and this one just took its place, and the color is so much better for my dark cool toned hair. This is so much better because the Korean one, it had a bit of a warmness to it that I did not like, but this has a really nice cool tone, and I just brush it and leave it, and it's so quick and easy and nice. Just fills it in and makes it look like your brows are better than they are. So nice, so nice. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Liquid Lurex by Lisa Eldridge. It's in the color Emily. It's just gonna be a one and done shadow look today. So pretty, so glossy, so beautiful. I'll just start with one eye at a time just so you can have a good idea of what it looks like. And then I'll run it on the lower lash line as well. So that's one eye with that one and done eyeshadow. So pretty. I'll do the other eye really quick as well. I wanted to see if this Laura Mercier Caviar stick would be a good fit. It's in the color Amethyst. I wanted to put it a little on the lower lash line to add a little bit of a darker. Actually, yeah. That's really nice. I do like a little bit of a darker under eye for me. And I was going to use a liquid liner, and this is just the Too Faced. I think it's like a travel size one. I'll just shake it. It's lasted so long. It's just this travel size, but it's really good quality. I just do like a little bit on the end, and then the mascara kind of just covers up the rest. Adds a little bit of depth to the upper lash line. Clearly, they are not the same. That's all right. Then I'm just gonna do the mascara. This is the Tarte Tartlette tubing mascara. So this is the side with no mascara, and this is the side with this tubing mascara. It's really nice. Definitely adds enough volume for me. I don't look for like the craziest volume. It just enough for it to not look too much, but to look somewhat natural. I don't have naturally bold lashes, so this helps. And there's the eyes all finished with the mascara. Really pretty. I didn't use any powder today because I feel like it already has set down and my face is not greasy at all. Otherwise, I was prepared to use a little bit of the Huda Beauty. I know a lot of people say it's drying, but honestly, if you use just a light hand, just a little bit, because I have dry skin, then it does add just enough that it helps keep the oils at bay the whole day. So it is a good powder if you use a light hand. That concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It's kind of simple, kind of quick, but I think it's so fresh and pretty, and it adds just a little bit of something and you're ready for the day. And I did get my haircut just recently, just because with like the newborn baby, my hair was not really looking good up or down, and she was reaching in, pulling it, and my hair grows pretty quickly, so I'll grow it out again in the future. It was down to my waist, and now it's quite a bit shorter, but it's a little more manageable with small kids. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate having you. Thanks for joining me today. Have a wonderful day.